Welcome back, One Click Economist. I'm Mertkul, and this is my channel where we explore ways to enhance your financial freedom and build wealth. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 powerful income streams that you can start while working on your 9-to-5 job. I understand if you are thinking, I don't have enough time or I don't have the right skills. But trust me, with the right approach and mindset, you can successfully integrate these income streams into your busy life. And trust me as well, if I can manage multiple income streams by myself while being an assistant professor, running this YouTube channel, providing financial consultancy to individuals and companies, teaching online courses with an education agency, creating digital products, investing in stocks and more, you can too. Now grab your cup of iced coffee and let's talk about the 10 income streams that can transform your financial situation. First up, let's talk about freelancing. If you have a skill, there's someone willing to pay for it. Whether you are good at writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, or teaching, you already possess skills that other people are lacking of. For example, I started freelancing while I was still in university by helping startups with financial advice. It was a great way to build my portfolio and earn some extra income. There are several platforms where you can start freelancing. Upwork always just allows you to bid on jobs that match your skill set, while Fiverr lets you create gigs where clients can hire directly. Freelancer works similarly to Upwork, but also includes contests where you can just showcase your skills. Here's a quick table comparing different freelancing platforms. Check the description for a detailed version of all courses mentioned today. Use your current skills to start, create a compelling profile, choose a niche, set competitive prices, and schedule your hours for the most profitable results. Next up, if you enjoy creating content and connecting with an audience, blogging could be perfect for you. Share your knowledge and passions, whether it's a travel, gaming, fashion, or DIY projects. The first step here is to choose and set up your platform. You need to understand what is more convenient and feasible for you. Posting 2 to 4 times a month but longer videos on YouTube, or just posting short videos every day on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Blogging not only allows you to share your passions, but can also lead to lucrative opportunities like book deals and brand partnerships, which can significantly boost your income and professional growth. Now that we have explored the world of content creation through blogging, let's dive into a powerful way to monetize that content: affiliate marketing. This method allows you to earn commissions by promoting products and services you love. Join programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction, or check if your favorite brands offer affiliate opportunities. Affiliate marketing can generate passive income as your content continues to attract visitors and viewers over time. Some affiliate marketers earn 6-figure incomes solely through their affiliate commissions. Choose products you genuinely just believe in and that you think will benefit your audience. Once you have set up your affiliate links, you can earn money from past content without additional effort. Next powerful income stream is creating and selling your own digital products. Selling digital products involves creating items that can be distributed electronically, such as ebooks, online courses, printables, and software. Use Pinterest to get ideas for your digital products and just also to promote them. Just write your own niche in the search bar and you will see lots of options for yourself. For ebooks, you may consider using Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or platforms like Gumroad and Selfie. For printables and digital downloads, Etsy, Gumroad will be there for you, and your own website can be great just platforms to reach customers. Once your product is out there, it can generate passive income with minimal effort, high profit margins, and no inventory. Make this a fantastic option. Another form of passive income that involves tangible assets: rental income. Investing in rental properties can generate passive income through monthly rent payments and property appreciation. Rental properties offer various tax advantages, including deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance, repairs, and depreciation. It's important to have sufficient starting capital to invest in real estate. But if you don't have enough capital, explore financing options like investor partnerships or crowdfunding. After that, you will need to decide whether to manage properties yourself or just hiring management company for convenience. While self-management offers control and potential cost savings, property management companies provide expertise, convenience, and time-saving benefits. Let's now explore another avenue for wealth accumulation: stock market investments. Investing in the stock market offers great potential for financial growth. Consider individual stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or index funds. Each option offers unique advantages and considerations for investors. And while this video is definitely can't cover all information about them, unfortunately, be sure to take the time to educate yourself about basic investment principles and different investment strategies before investing into the stock market. And if delving into the intricacies of stock market investing feels overwhelming, consider seeking guidance from a financial consultant or advisor. Look for a certified financial planner or registered investment advisor with a fiduciary duty to act in your best interest. Take the time to research and interview potential advisors to find the right fit for your needs and preferences. Another income stream that leverages your expertise: creating and selling an online course. Online courses can cover a wide range of topics, from professional skills like coding and marketing to personal interests such as cooking, fitness, or photography. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable with Coursera offer tools and marketplaces for selling your courses, making it much more easier to reach a global audience. According to recent studies, the global online education market is projected to reach a staggering value of $375 billion by 2026. This growth is driven by factors such as the rising cost of traditional education and the growing acceptance of online learning. Or if the idea of creating an online course feels a bit daunting, consider collaborating with a course creation expert or your local education company. These professionals can help you plan, develop, and market your course effectively. Another exciting avenue to explore is dropshipping. This e-commerce model is a retail fulfillment method where you, as the seller, don't keep products in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party, typically a wholesaler or manufacturer, and have it shipped directly to the customer. Your role primarily involves managing your online store, marketing, and customer service, all of which can be done remotely. The most important step here is to find a partner with reputable suppliers. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu just can help you with that. After that, create an attractive and user-friendly online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Your store should provide detailed product descriptions, high-quality images, and an easy checkout process. Now let's get into a creative and visually engaging income stream: photography and videography services. If you have a passion for capturing moments, this could be a perfect side hustle for you. You can schedule photo shoots and video projects around your 9 to 5 job, making it a little bit flexible side hustle. Many events and sessions can be booked on weekends or even evenings. Selling stock photos and videos is another excellent way to monetize your skills. Stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images have millions of users from around the globe searching for high quality media. Stock media can encompass a wide range of subjects and styles, from nature and travel photography to business and lifestyle videos. This diversity allows you to experiment and find what sells best. Our 10th and last income stream for today to explore is creating custom products with print on demand. With this method, you don't need to purchase inventory upfront at all. You only pay for the product and printing cost after a customer places an order, minimizing financial risk. Products typically offered here: t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, posters, and more. There are several print-on-demand platforms to choose from, including Printful, Teespring, Redbubble, and Society6. Create an online store to showcase and sell your print-on-demand products. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy to set up your store easily. Focus on creating original and appealing designs that stand out. Or if you are new to graphic design, consider hiring freelancers for yourself. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork can connect you with talented designers who can help bring your ideas to life. Now that you are equipped with these ideas, it's time to take action. Reflect on your skills and write at least 15 of them, I dare you. You would be surprised at how many of them can be monetized. Choose one or two income streams to start. Remember, even small, consistent efforts can lead to significant results over time. Share your list of skills in the comments below. Let's create a community of support and inspiration. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. And thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for your goals.